Governor Mikey Sherrill issued a state of emergency today.
I've just declared a state of emergency for all 21 counties.
Governor Mikey Sherrill is urging people to stay home and off the roads.
This is a storm the likes of which we really haven't seen in about a decade.
Very, very treacherous, very cold as well. The feels like right now is at just about 0 degrees. I've only seen one bird flying this morning.
All right, it is 2 o'clock in the morning, absolutely freezing out. I'm gonna put the temperature up on the screen right now. So cold. We are expecting one of the craziest storms we've gotten in New Jersey, and I can't tell you how long. All of this is gonna be covered in snow tomorrow. We already have snow on the ground. We don't need more. I tell you, it's gonna be a tough day. All right, it is morning, and as you can see, it is definitely coming down. In the meantime, I think I'm gonna make some breakfast. Nothing like some warm pancakes on a cold day like today. Oh yeah, a little warm syrup. I finished breakfast. I'm starting to work on clearing the porch here to set up my phone, and it is absolutely freezing. My hands are already red. The wind chill is making it feel like negative degrees out here. And it's still snowing, it's not stopping. It's gonna take some time. We got Dad back there, starting the snowplow.
Here goes nothing. My phone fucking falls, bro. I'm gonna be so pissed. I get so paranoid that it's not recording. Alright, maybe this won't work. We don't have to do too well right now because it is still snowing, so we know there's going to be more. Oh, this wind is crazy. Towels are falling off. My setup is not gonna hold. Fuck. I made the mistake of going to the gym yesterday. That was not smart. Fuck, hit back to the west too. Oh my god. My snot is freezing, that's so gross. You guys see the birds in the back? Of course. Alright, I gotta adjust this. Whoa, hello.
おはようございます。
Alright, I finished the walkway, and even just after that, I am tired. What I'm gonna do next is clear out the generator, get this space done, so that we can then get down to the cellar down there. Forgot to put my glove on.
The microphone's died. I have no idea how much, if any, audio I got from that. So, obviously, you'll see in the video if there's none or not. Mom came out, did some work there. I had touched up the walkway. Unfortunately, my phone died, so I lost what was the best time lapse I had. Very unfortunate news, but we did finish. So now all we have to do is wait for the snow to finish and then do the second shovel and we'll be all clear. All right, guys, it's about 1 in the morning now. The snow has just stopped. I'm not stepping out any further because it's freezing. So what's left right now, as well as if there's any more throughout the night, we'll shovel tomorrow morning. All right, good morning. Day 2 is officially underway. Got little bird tracks. That's a crazy indent. I tell you, the sun makes it hot. All right, just keep going. Yeah, it's getting hot. But my pit stains don't show for my fucking sweatshirt. Oh, they definitely will. All right, we are almost done. We did about most of the driveway now. All that's left is to finish the cars. The annoying part about all the cars is that you clear up the space, then you brush them off back into the space you just cleared. Oh boy. Good enough in my book. All right, that does it. That's about it. The entire driveway is now complete. Normally I'd go relax, hop in the hot tub, but I want to post this video timely today, so I'm gonna go ahead and go get editing. Thanks for watching. If you're still here, go ahead, like, comment, subscribe. It feels so strange to say. And thanks, I'll see you later.